it's a very good idea to have these native hedgerows between fields and as boundaries between properties, because although they're cut shorter than a woodland and they're not as big as a woodland, they still contain almost everything you get in a woodland, because they're all like made of woodland trees. You have woodland plants, woodland animals can use them, and by having all of the fields separated by these natural hedgerows, particularly if they're on banks as well, you've got like basically little strips of woodland connecting all the woodlands together, because we haven't got much natural woodland left here, but having the hedgerows really just sort of it just connects them all together, and it's often a refuge from their plants that can live in. They haven't got quite as much competition as in the woods, and also like the little strip of woodlands along railway lines, that's kind of like a little connective bit as well. And also riparian woodland here, like this one along this valley. So you've got like 20 feet either side of the river, which is all woodland, and that's like allowed to grow to full height. So that's like a big connective bit going up the valleys there and going all the way down to the estuary down there. And it's like you can see like here and there little bits of woodland, but all this network of fields connects all those woodlands together so that plants and animals can get from one to the other, rather than each woodland being an isolated little island without any kind of without a lot of animals and plants being able to travel from one to the other. Hedgerows are a brilliant bridge for many species to get from one woods to another, and almost all woodland plants can be found in hedgerows. They're like a really good safe harbour, particularly if they're on banks, because you've got drier bits, shady bits, sunny bits, so you've got a lot of different environments when you've got a nice bank. It's like it gives the the side of the hedge kind of more surface area as well. I think if it was like a flat, it would be just that, but with a hedge bank as well, it's all that, it makes it like way bigger. So hedges and banks really good for environments, and really good for woodland. It connects all the woodlands together. So if you're going to have a boundary, have a native hedge boundary, because they're just brilliant for wildlife.